Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and today I'm going to take a boat tour on the Western Pond, which is part of the Gros Morne National Park on the west shore of Newfoundland. And it's really a lake. They call their lakes here ponds, but it's a pretty good sized lake if you ask me. And there's a lot of scenery around here. So what I'm going to do in this video is, while I'm taking the boat tour, I'm not going to be narrating. I'm just going to show you the sights. There is a onboard narrator, so he will be saying a few things along the way. Oh, and by the way, to get to the boat from the parking lot, it's a 3-kilometer walk. It's fairly flat land, but you need to count on allowing time for doing that 3-kilometer walk from where you park your car when you make your reservation for the boat trip, which costs about $65 US dollars. So let's get on the boat and see what it looks like. Also, they have here a 3D model of the pond and the canyon that you see. It goes down the middle there. There are some waterfalls in there that we'll see as well. And this is what they say it looked like 15,000 years ago. Well, there's the boat, so let's go.
Our hunters were looking for moose, caribou, and any type of waterfowl for winter storage. Our trappers were looking for otter, beaver, mink, as well as weasel. Our fishermen were looking for brook trout or speckled trout, salmon, Arctic char, or wamish, which is a type of landlocked salmon. Bones from a sperm whale when they were doing research in the area. I know, guys, we didn't lock them up there. And guys, the depth of the pond here right now is 174 meters or 575 feet. And those beautiful lofty cliffs we're driving along here, they're anywhere from 600 to 700 meters high, 1,900 to 22 feet under above us. Studying the rocks, the geologists tell us, and the roots of this mountain go down into the earth as deep as they are high. At one time, this was as high as the Himalayan mountains. By the way that the sun's rays hit it at a certain angle, causing a blue cast on the rock as well as the water below it. As you look straight across the pond in front of us, you'll find a beautiful hanging valley. It looks like it's hanging in midair. This was caused when a tributary glacier flowed into the main Western Brook Glacier, carving out what looks like a beautiful U-shaped valley. This near vertical sides is deep bottom U-shaped.
Exactly.
I did read about that.
Yes.
I'm gonna learn my alphabet again, I guess.
There's your key.
I do. Yeah.
When this all came crashing down, there was a large crashing ice, a big dust bust of cloud and dust, and I don't need to tell you that the 20-odd people on that boat at the time, well, they all needed new clean shorts. Guys, not to worry, the captain's going to give us a turn around so we can all get a picture. Just watch when we hit the wake here, no one rocks over. Here in Gros Morne Park, we have approximately 300 to 400 woodland caribou. But the numbers does fluctuate as the caribou are migratory animals. Other bodies of water will flush themselves out 6 to 8 times a year. Western Brook Pond would take approximately 15 years to flush itself out just once. The highest free-falling waterfalls anywhere in eastern Canada. And here in Gros Morne National Park, none of our staff had anything to do with this waterfall's naming. Anyone want to try to guess what the name of this waterfall is? This waterfall has a very unique name. This waterfall is known as Pissing Mere Falls. This is a drop-off point for experienced hikers who want to do the long-range traverse. And map and compass are essential because there are no marked trails. And we can't just drop anybody off here.
Well, folks, I really enjoyed that tour. Saw some really amazing sights. They took 2 boats out at the same time that were both full. They have 3 of them. The Westbrook 1, and I went on the Westbrook 2, and here they have the Westbrook 3. It's very rare that I go on to a boat tour that's full, so you definitely need to make a reservation. So let me know how you liked it. Good day, folks.
Well, that's